to talk more about that. The danger of rip currents is, of course, magnified when swimmers aren't familiar with the area. So, for example, in Miami Beach, it's a haven for tourists. For more on this, a Miami Beach Ocean Rescue Lieutenant Lucas Bocanegra, he joins us now live. I was born and raised in Southern California, where you grow up learning about this stuff, but so many people have no idea even what a rip current is, what to do in one, along with that. So explain to our viewers, what is a rip current and how do you spot one?
So a rip current that we have, especially down here in South Florida, are usually generated through wind. So what happens is the wind blows on the water, creates these waves. These waves hit the shoreline and create this strong moving current out to the ocean. So as a swimmer, what you want to do first thing is always find one of these beaches that have lifeguards in them, swim near the lifeguard, and then always abide by the warning signs. So we do have different warning signs to let you know the intensity of these rip currents. And if you do get caught in a rip current, you want to swim parallel to shore and then work your way back in without fighting that current and try to catch some waves to come back to shore.
And Lucas, for someone who's not in the ocean all the time, they're on vacation, they're just enjoying these waters, what's an indication that you're indeed in a rip current and you need to swim parallel to the shore? And what's a sign that you're in it so you know not to swim against it and fight it?
So what's predominantly going to happen is you're not going to notice it when you swim out to the ocean. It's actually the current. You're going with the current. It's almost like an escalator. So you're going to start feeling it when you turn around and you see that you're not having any movement going back to shore. A lot of people freak out and they want to keep going swimming to shore. The best thing you can do is, if you're a proficient swimmer, float, try to make your way, create some attention, start yelling, screaming, and then move your way slowly with the currents. The lifeguards, if you are swimming in an area near your lifeguard tower, what's going to happen is the lifeguard will blow your whistle, guide you the right way. If anything, will jump in the water and assist you out of these rip currents.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, you won't notice until you start working your way back to shore.
And of course, you want to preserve your energy too. So Lucas, have your lifeguards had to make any rescues this week because of the rip currents?
Earlier this week, yes, we did. Like you said before, we do have some rain coming in. So those two mixtures of rain and rip currents kind of help us out. I know it's not really nice for the beachgoers and tourists that are coming into town, but as far as when it's the rain, there's less swimmers in the water, less crowds. So it's easier for us to pinpoint where the dangerous areas are. But as soon as this rain goes away, the front moves through and we have nice sunny weather, what's going to happen is the crowds will be packed and we're going to have to be on our toes telling everybody and guide them the right way. So I'm sure throughout South Florida, anytime we have rip currents throughout the week and many days of a long wind, we do have several rescues that are being performed.